Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Tuesday afternoon from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. And believe it or not, it's unseasonably cold here in the Big Apple. My hands, they're still a little frozen, so it's time to warm up. And you know how we do it here at Modern Wall Street. It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. I'm going to run out of here and warm up with a drink because it's happy hour in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they're lower this Tuesday afternoon right here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. This amid declines overseas and despite improved domestic data. And let's first begin on the data front. We had ISM non-manufacturing PMI coming in at a read of 54.5 for the month of March. That's up from February's read of 53.4. At the same time, the U.S. trade deficit widening a lot more than expected in February, increasing 2.6% to $47.1 billion. Meanwhile, poor domestic data sending the Nikkei 225 index down nearly 2.5%, and Germany's DAX is down more than 2.5%. This due mostly in part to poor manufacturing reads. And when you team all of this with mostly lower oil prices, as well as gold rising on risk aversion, and the Japanese yen trading near its highest level against the U.S. dollar since October 2014, you have yourself a session right now here on the floor of the stock exchange where 3 stocks are declining for every advancer. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out the second trading session of the week. And on the corporate front, shares of Allergen falling more than 15% to hit a 52-week low. This after the U.S. Treasury Department late Monday took new steps to curb tax-avoiding inversion deals in which a U.S. company reincorporates overseas following the purchase of a foreign company. Now, Dublin, Ireland-based Allergen agreed to be bought out by Pfizer in the biggest inversion deal ever. And with that stated, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink, and I have to say this, let's go Mets. Thor taking the mound today. Let's even it up in Kansas City and take it home the next day. From ModernWallStreet.com saying I'll see you guys all tomorrow, I'm James Sweeney.